Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, we want to make a simple announcement, that is, from Monday onwards all the video presentations which we were posting in YouTube and in our website will be available only for the clients of Alasco CTS Asset Management Service. And we really thank all the viewers for all their extended supports in watching and promoting their videos, and we request all the clients and we request all the viewers to open a trading account with us in order to avail this service continuously. So now let us go back and see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Yesterday gold market opened around 30,060, which is much nearer and equal to the previous day's closing. And what we expected yesterday was that we expected gold to continue its uptrend. We expected gold to continue its uptrend till 29,860. You may notice that yesterday we had decreased our stop loss to 29,860 because for the complete week we were having a stop loss around 29,720. Till 28,860 we expected gold to continue its uptrend. So let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see there was a spike down from the price opening, which means that after the price opening you can see the market has dropped terribly because this candlestick represents 7 minutes. So you can notice that within 7 minutes the price cannot move from this zone to this zone. So probably from the LTP price would we have received will be around 29,980, but surely it is a spike down price opening because after price opened near the previous day's price closing there was a spike down, and the trading section which we might have is 29,960. So now let us see what happened after that, whether the price has taken some support around 29,920 and whether the price has taken a support like what we expected till 28,820. We have expected the price to continue its uptrend. Now let us go and watch what happened after that. After the spike down opening, you can see this 29,920 is providing some support initially. This 29,920 provided some support initially, but there was also it is taking some resistance around 29,960. It was trading within this narrow zone after the price opening, but it was quite successful in breaking the zone, and again you may notice this 29,920 providing some resistance. So the price is initially the price was trading within a narrow zone, and eventually the price came down and tested our expected stop loss zone of 29,860. So now this is very crucial because after a spike down opening, after a decent consolidation, the price came down and tested immediately our stop loss zone, which we expected to be the final zone for buying in gold market. So now we should see what happened. It has provided, our zone has this as expected, the market has provided some support around 28,860. You may notice that the market provided some bounce back around 29,860 and it tried to push the market above 29,920, but there was a failure. Again the market came down and you can see the market was consolidating around 29,860. So you may notice that every single candlestick represents 7 minutes. That means that you can notice how long the market has provided an opportunity for us to decide in 29,860. Now let us see how it happened. The market was quite successful in breaking the zone, and it was a clear breakdown below 29,820 that pushed the market down till 29,820. And again you can notice that from 29,800 and 29,820 there was some bounce back and that provided some potential for the market to move above 29,860. Again it found some resistance around 29,920. So the market is again finding some resistance around 29,920. Now let us see if the price can sustain above 29,860 and break this 29,920, then we can expect the price to move higher. But if there is a breakdown, then surely it is up to you to decide what will happen in future. There was a breakdown and that pushed the market lower, so that is one important purpose. We will see why we always insist that trading in gold you need to be very strong on the support and resistance level, and maintaining a stop loss and maintaining a huge margin will create a good difference in trading in gold. So let us see, after taking a resistance around, you can notice that after taking some resistance around 29,820, it is a very huge drop in gold market. After that, the market drastically, this is the type of, it is not the first time we are seeing this type of price movement in gold, because it is not new. Suddenly the market came down whenever the stop loss is triggered, and the trend, the market broke these key support zones and key level for buying zones, always it reverses its trend. So that happened. That is a very major purpose why we always say, be clear when you are trading in gold. It is not a simple for trading for traders to trade in gold. Trading in gold needs you to master support and resistance, zone trading, breakout, breakdown trading. All these technical terms you should know how to use that, how to analyze that. So if you have any doubt, you can please contact us. We are here to train you, to help you and make you trade like a pro. So that really pushed the market down. You can notice that the market came down till 29,540, but still the market is not closed. So after that, this 29,520 just provided support. Again, it is a very huge drop in gold market that pushed the market down till 29,220. This is a very huge drop in gold market that happened yesterday. So this is people all who has watched these video presentations and who is taking who is a gold trader should notice that. If you are a gold trader for many years, you may notice that this is the type of market. Always gold react like this. Given the price volatility in the given days, you can expect this type of price movement. But only way to protect you after making good profit is just follow a simple trading method, follow a certain money management techniques, at least place your stop loss. So you can notice that the price after hitting 29,900 and 29,220, it just went back and it takes some resistance around 29,420, and the market closed around 29,320. The two major issues here is that, one thing, you should, as a gold trader, you should know support and resistance and zones. Till which zone you can go for buying, till which zone you should not go for buying, and how to place a stop loss. And the most important thing is that whenever the price is crashing in gold, coming down after breaking the major buying zone, please don't do the average thing. Whenever we say average till a particular zone, you may notice that we expect from Monday, we expect you to average till 29,720, because for Monday 29,720 is the buying zone. Till that it is a buying zone. Averaging with the trend and within the buying zone is one form of trading in gold market, but averaging below the buying zone is going to be a disaster for you. That is what will happen if you keep on averaging like what happened. Slowly and steadily after making profit, you should increase your stop loss zone, so that whenever the market is crashing, you will protect whatever profit you have gained earlier, and also you will protect ourselves from a big loss like this. Please don't go for averaging when the price is dropping. Again, we will say the same thing. Catching a falling knife always will hurt your fingers. Surely, please don't that. And today, what is another major thing is that today also we expect gold to open much lower. And comparing with yesterday's closing with yesterday price opening, there is no need to compare. It is drastically down. And you know the major support and resistance level which we have marked, this is going to act as a major resistance zone for the coming days. And another thing is that there is no doubt about the trend. The trend is gold is going to be down, and the price opening is going to be just below 1000, below the previous day's low. The low is 29,220. We are expecting a price opening around 29, just below 29,160, or it can be also below that based upon the selling pressure and the price opening of the currency rupee value in India. So rupee factor is also going to play a major role. But what we can expect is that today also we can expect the market to continue its downtrend in gold market. But the zone for trading, like what we have said in the earlier time, the Monday, you can notice that on Monday we have set 29,720 as the buying zone. Now we are going to reverse that. Till 29,720 you can go for selling in gold market, having 29,720 as a resistance zone. but you may notice that it is going to be a very huge stop loss zone, but there is no other way other than having this stop loss zone. The few techniques which we always follow after a drastic dog is that go and average till the zone, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval, use your exposures properly, make sure you have sufficient fund for trading in gold. Because comparing the volatility in gold, you may admire seeing the price movements, but gold is something which will provide profit only for clients who is having sufficient amount of money. Just what we can do for today is that we expect price to stay down in gold market. So whenever the price is going, wait for an opportunity to hit the resistance and just book profit at regular time intervals. Then if the price is going to reverse, surely it is going to come near 29,720. Then we can make a good profit out of that. So today also we are expecting gold to continue its downtrend. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos and all your support. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.